Good morning, Vietnam. As you can see, the roads are still not filled with motorists. Look at this. You can see coffee everywhere. This is what I noticed. See, it's only 12K. So how much that in peso? I think it's around 30? 30 pesos? I'm done with my PT session. Now I'm going to train a bit. I can't wait to get home. My package will arrive soon. And yeah, I'm just gonna train first. Had a crazy workout. It was fun. I had to rush because the other members are coming in and I can't work out, so I had to really rush my workout. Okay, I'm hungry already. I'll just have a quick breakfast and I'll unbox my special item. I'll have my breakfast first, then we can unbox. Okay, here it is. This is what I got for today. It's a intenso roast. One of my clients gave this one. I'm so excited. It's not really an unbox, but more of like new beans. So intenso coffee roaster. There, intenso coffee roasters. Uh, that's how it looks like. And we have another bag. So I have two bags right now. So I have two types of coffee right now. Okay. Can you hear it? Not sure how many grams this is. Both of them are 200 grams each. Okay, I have new stock for coffee already. So I'm happy that my client gave me this one, and I'm very thankful that she loves coffee and we share a lot of things. This is one type of beans that she recommends, and I'm willing to try it out. So one of the beans is Country House. It's Arabica blend Robusta. It has a milk chocolate caramel rich mouthful sweet aftertaste. Then the other one would be a Metal Rock. It's 100 Robusta honey, high quality, dark chocolate, woody, roasted nuts, full body. Maybe I will try the Metal Rock today because it's Robusta. It's honey, Robusta honey. Then dark chocolate, woody roasted nuts, and full body. So I'm going to try this out and let's go. I placed this one because it might get cold. So I have to wash the dishes first. Okay, let us try it out. Mm, mm. Okay, it's good. It's Okay, it's not that strong. What I meant is the first initial taste or sip is smooth. Yes, it is bitter at the end, but the start of the taste, I think, or that's how I describe it, it it is sweet, and I like the ending of the taste, meaning it is very strong at the end, but the initial taste is not that strong. It's in the middle. So medium roast, really in the middle. If you like that, if you like the medium roast, for me, I personally like the medium roast. It tastes a lot better. Oh my gosh, it's really good. I am Gino, the Pinoy trainer who lives in Vietnam. If you like my videos and my content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.